Now, over this, as far as the opposition is concerned, they've gone a step further. Let's talk about as far as Kangana Ranaut's remark is concerned. There is a sexist remark to counter Kangana Ranaut has been made by RJD leader who has called the BJP MP a nachne gaane wali. A shocker that has now come in from RJD's Shakti Yadav.
कंगना रनावत देखिए, नाचने गाने वाले को इस तरह का बयान नहीं देना चाहिए। अब माननीय हो गए हैं, सांसद चुन के आई हैं, तो गरिमा का ख्याल करें। अभी भी लग रहा है कि हम डांस ही कर रहे हैं फिल्म दुनिया में, तो ऐसे नहीं ना होता है। ये कंगना रनावत देखिए, नाचने गाने वाले को इस तरह का बयान नहीं देना चाहिए। अब माननीय हो गए हैं, सांसद चुन के आई हैं, तो गरिमा का ख्याल करें। अभी भी लग रहा है कि हम डांस ही कर रहे हैं फिल्म दुनिया में, तो ऐसे नहीं ना होता है।
Well, Amandeep is with us right now. Well, what kind of an advice is this to a BJP woman MP? आप माननीय हो गए, आप नाचने गाने वाले अब नहीं रहे हैं. So what happens to your माननीय जुबान as well while making such kind of a statement against toward that a woman MP, Amandeep?
Well, absolutely, Amita. This is not the way to talk with the member of parliament, an elected member of parliament with huge number of votes, who has got the mandate from the ground zero, and certain kind of language is completely unacceptable. Kangana Ranaut has given a statement regarding the farmers, and BJP very professionally disowned that statement, and in fact has very clearly said that this is not the statement of the party. And in fact, after this all development, this kind of language is for a respected elected member of parliament of Lok Sabha is not actually acceptable. They should mind it. If they are concerned about the language used by Kangana Ranaut against the farmers, in fact they must be concerned about their language to an elected member of parliament of Lok Sabha as well. And now the all opposition parties, Amita, taking an opportunity to attack BJP ahead of Haryana polls, just because this farmers protest having a huge impact in Haryana, and in fact all political parties are targeting Haryana assembly polls, and that is the reason Aam Aadmi Party is staging the protest throughout the state at the different locations, and even seeking the apology from Kangana.
Please stay on with us. Abha Singh ji is with us right now. Abha Singh ji, I mean, if you are not okay with the point of view of a certain individual, be it a politician, to actually counter that point, is it necessary to make sexist statements? Here is Shakti Yadav of the RJD saying that नाचने वाली गाने वाली अब माननीय बन गई हैं, तो उन्हें थोड़ा दिखाना चाहिए कि आखिरकार वो किस पोजीशन में. Is it necessary to say नाचने गाने वाली? What does it mean, ma'am?
Not at all. I think Shakti Yadav of RJD should be condemned. His party should suspend him, because even if Kangana Ranaut has said something, you have the defamation laws. Go to the court, file a defamation case against her. But calling her Nachne Gaane Wali, I think that is very derogatory. They should be ashamed. The party should condemn them. He should apologize to Kangana Ranaut, because even Supreme Court in the bar dancers case, if you remember, said that even those bar dancers, for them it is a profession and they have a right to profession. So here is Supreme Court which upholds right to profession dancing, and even if she's an artist, that's a right to profession, and it's a fundamental right to practice, propagate any profession. So Kangana Ranaut is right if she's an actor and a star, but Shakti Yadav needs to be suspended from the party, and we should not tolerate such derogatory comments for any women in this country,
especially when it comes to an elected woman MP. Thank you very much, Abha Singh ji. As far as Shakti Yadav is concerned, remains to be seen what stand that his party takes. Will they endorse or in a way try and maintain distance, or even call out for this leader for calling BJP MP a woman MP a nachne gaane wali? With that, we head into a short break. We'll get you more reactions on that.